Lightning bolt 99999. Shortly after 7 a.m. Listen to this. Tornado sirens at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour, gusts of 58 miles per hour, or more can lead to property damage.
This is a fucking tornado.
Warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Wisconsin, Kenosha, and Walworth. A high wind warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Wednesday, timing. Gusty south winds early this morning will switch to the southwest and become strong mid to late morning. A lull in the winds is expected tonight, before the winds become strong and westerly on Wednesday. South winds will increase to 20 to 30 miles per hour.
We're gonna get TVEAS. I gotta be right back.
25 to 40 miles per hour by late morning. Gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour are expected. A lull in wind speeds are expected tonight.
Tornado warning. I don't even know who this is for.
It's time of year, and in this part of the country, Michigan a 3 out of 10. Yeah, just a little bit farther south of that, a 5 out of 10, or roughly a 50% chance of seeing a tornado. Indiana and Ohio. Head farther south of that, a 3 out of 10 for you. Kentucky, Mississippi, Tennessee, and northern Alabama. Jen?
It's about 6 minutes past the hour. Time for a check of today's headlines. Contessa Brewer joins us.
Holy crap. Nothing. I don't know. I don't think she woke up yet.
7:30 a.m. For the following county, Kane County, Illinois. Tornado watch number 720 remains in effect until 11 o'clock a.m. For the following counties in Illinois, Cook, Kane, Lake and McHenry, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Kenosha and Walworth, and the following nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois.
I gotta go, guys.